Happy 79th Anniversary, Roswell, the craft they delivered intact, Part 2. 3 stories, 1 secret. The official account changed 3 times across 5 decades. The Army offered a flying disc on July 8th and a weather balloon on July 9th. Scene 1. The first official story broke. The nation listened as the Roswell Daily Record reported the recovery of a flying disc. But by July 9th, the story was replaced. General Ramey presented a weather balloon as the official explanation for the wreckage. Then, in 1994, the Air Force conceded that the balloon tail had served as cover for Project Mogul. This classified program used acoustic sensors in the stratosphere to detect Soviet nuclear tests. In 1997, Case Closed suggested witnesses saw crash test dummies, but the timeline simply doesn't add up. The dummy drops began years after 1947. The government's own explanation forces the timeline to run backward. Jesse Marcel broke the silence in 1978, revealing the balloon display as theater and launching modern Roswell research. Dozens of families have since come forward with stories of coercion, confiscated debris, and lifelong silence. A July 8th memo described a hexagonal disc bound for Wright Field, recently released in the Pentagon's Roswell file. The richest account comes from Matilda O'Donnell MacElroy, a flight nurse who guarded transcripts for 60 years. MacElroy described the crash site, the crew who perished, and the discovery of one conscious survivor, Airl. The military elevated her rank to grant the clearance required because she alone could hold the telepathic channel. For 6 weeks, Airl used MacElroy as the chosen receiver for a patient transmission, rather than a conventional interrogation. Airl identified herself as an officer of the domain, a civilization treating the Milky Way as a small district. She taught that every human is an is-BE, an immortal spiritual being, and that Earth is a prison planet. A planet wrapped in an amnesia screen that recycles souls into forgetfulness between lifetimes. In her final letters, MacElroy wrote that humanity must face the answers to the deepest questions of our identity and origin. We present the Airl material as testimony that rings true to experiencers who recognize the texture of truth. Happy 79th Anniversary, Roswell. The craft they delivered intact continues in Part 3.